In this video, I'm going to share is if someone fills out a form on your website for Dry Medic, what exactly would happen, how the AI agent would call them within seconds of them filling out a form. Also, if they want to call you, we can put that also to an AI agent, and we can also use this only for when you don't have your team readily available. So let me give you an example. So I'm going to get my phone out here, and you're going to see exactly how this works. So I'm pretending I fill out a form, and here we go. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. So about 4 or 5 seconds that I'm getting a call. Let me just put this thing on so you can hear it. So I'm getting the call now, and this is me pretending to be interested in Dry Medic. So here we go. Hello?
Brian, please.
Yes, speaking.
Hi, Brian. This is Grace calling from Dry Medic. I'm an AI assistant, and if it's okay with you, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the form you filled out online before transferring you to the appropriate Dry Medic specialist. And by the way, this call is being recorded for quality assurance. So how can I help you today?
Well, I woke up in the morning, there's a flood in my basement.
Sorry to hear that. I understand. That sounds really stressful. Would you like to schedule a free in-home consultation? Or would you like to know more about our services?
Maybe tell me a little bit more about your services, please.
Dry Medic specializes in emergency water damage restoration, including water extraction, structural drying, moisture monitoring, and mold prevention. If water gets into surfaces like drywall, mold can start growing within 24 to 48 hours, so we act quickly. We also handle fire damage restoration, mold remediation, and full home reconstruction if needed. Our team uses advanced technology and high-quality materials, and we support you from start to finish. Would you like to schedule a free in-home consultation to assess your basement? Or do you have any specific questions about our process?
Yeah, when's the next available time that you guys can come?
Let me check our next available times for a free in-home consultation. One moment, please. We have openings tomorrow, Thursday, November 13th. Available times are 9 to 11 in the morning, 12 to 1 in the afternoon, or 3 to 5 in the afternoon. Is there a time that works best for you?
I'll take the 3 o'clock tomorrow, please.
You're booked in for 3 o'clock tomorrow. What is your address, please?
It's 36.
Your address.
Oh, sorry. It's 36 Belvedere Boulevard.
Just to confirm, your address is 36 Belvedere Boulevard. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're all set. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. Do you have any other questions?
No, thank you.
It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and our Dry Medic specialist looks forward to assisting you. Thanks and take care.
Okay, so you can see how this is just a preliminary, like a demo, but you can see how the calendar was filled up right away. I got an email right away. You can see that right here. I got the calendar invite right here. This works with Google and Outlook. Here's the cool thing about this. We had like a free in-home consultation. I don't know what terminology you guys use, but we can customize the script as needed. So let me give you a couple of things. So first of all, this works for both inbound and outbound. Day and night, can be after hours if you prefer only. The script is customizable. Let me get back here. The voice, it can be male or female. We can speed it up or slow it down. We can make it louder or make it softer or lower the volume. We can call the lead within about 4 seconds, as you saw. So the lead comes in, and let's say your leads from shared advertising, within you're competing with other companies, you'll be the first most likely to speak with that person. An event is created instantly, as I showed you in Google, and also via email. The voice agent books leads, updates your CRM, records, and summarizes the call. If the lead did not book, can follow up with them or one or more calls later on. So for example, let's say that the lead said, well, I can't talk right now. Can you call me back in an hour or call me back tomorrow, whatever? The AI voice, the voice agent can do that, and it'll remember the conversation that it had with you earlier, with the lead earlier. So they'll call back and say, hey, John, this is, Grace calling from Dry Medic. I understand you had, we were speaking earlier about the flood in your basement. When can we get some over there to help you right away? Or, something like that, whatever the scripting is. Of course, this is just a dry run. Forgive the pun. But this is just like a basic agent. This is not tested. We usually do about 2 to 3 weeks of rigorous testing before we go live. And all the different scenarios that are possible that you guys constantly hear, we will put that into with the AI. If the lead wants to speak with someone on your team, they can easily do that. And the cool thing is when they just have to say human or person, or we can actually put that in the scripting if you want. But if they say that, when the human gets the call, the agent will summarize what was said to that human before the human is actually speaking with them. So it might go something like, hey, whatever the person's name is at your team. Hey, John, I have Brian online. He has a flood in his basement and he wants to get an early appointment. So that when your agent comes on, there's continuity in the call, giving a great customer experience. Last but not least, we can also put a voice widget on your website that people can just, instead of calling or filling out a form, they can just press that button, speak to one of these AI agents, book a meeting or book an appointment right on your website or on a landing page, for example. So it's pretty cool. So hope that helps. And yeah, we'll talk to you soon.